Paramiro wajera Malulu TV, maindi en cheno mar kuku mar wach mikelo ni kinde ka kide kod an Jeff Olomba. Kantiere kod mor mogundo mar waki e cheno machalo kamaendi. Wadwarango weche mag dongruok e pacho kaendi. Sani eri bende oganda dhi e yiero kochopo dwe mar aboro. Omiyo weche mag siasa bende ni kendi achiel kachiel nikech weche mag jotelo ema bende warango kaachiel kod weche mag dongruok. Antiere kod oganda rie studio kaendi, an kod jal ma bende olap dhoge jurni ne kom mar od bura ma Kasipul Kabondo. Kaeto antiere kod jalony ma bende osetiyo weche mag sekta mag kungo kata keno e bengi e thuolo malach e pinje ma oko. Abiro miyo gi thuolo mondo gimosu kaeto biro dhi nyime kod twak machalo kama. Arwako uduto e studio.
Erokamano lo.
Biro chako kodi mos oganda wenyisi gi nyingi gombo mari kaachiel kod kaunti.
Erokamano. Chiwo mos maga mogundho ne nyikwara mogi duto kumora mora ma unene Lolwe TV. An gi nyinga iluonga ni Evans Wasonga Washington Juma kata nyakoro chola. Mana ka konyi matin lap dhoga kama ndonge ok luong ni Kabondo ok luong ni Kasipul Kabondo. Od bura ma Kabondo Kasipul.
Od bura ma Kabondo Kasipul.
Chon nen Kasipul Kabondo nopogri di.
Dire.
Nitie Kasipul kende to Kabondo Kasipul. Ema kora dikao Kabondo Kasipul.
Kabondo Kasipul.
Ema anti.
Erokamano ahinya. Arwaki studio Washington. Arwaki jalony e weche mag sekta mag keno kod kungo mosoganda.
Ago erokamano Joramogi, ago erokamano kum kelmukela kamu na bia wukodu aniluonga ni Bob Mwango ajanya Kach. I'm a political analyst and financial expert.
Yes.
But mostly I'm on economics and I'm here to do what they call constructive engagement with my people, let them know where the world is ending and where we should be politically and economically.
Erokamano ahinya Bob Mwango akaw thuolo mar rwako achiel kachiel kod Washington Juma. Mana ka koro achiel kachiel kwarangore kamaendi. Waneno ka sani wantiere e higa mar yiero kendo weche mag siasa odiochieng meno mana bedo maliet. Waneno ka juma mokalo kweth mar ODM ne nitiere gwenge mag Dwar Nam Chumbi. Bob Mwango kaka jalony weche mag siasa maendi en ranyisi machalo nade? What does it mean? Waneno ka Migosi Kenyatta nobedo Dwar Nam Chumbi chien kod chande. Migosi Odinga bende nodhi e Dwar Nam Chumbi juma mokalo.
The reason Migosi Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta the Mombasa and Honorable Raila Odinga the Mombasa, they are waiting for votes. Mombasa is like they think is a voter rich area, and they don't. Everybody is trying to get votes there. And I think democratically they're allowed. They're allowed to go and look for votes, and then they have to tell the Mombasa what they've done for them to get votes from them. And I think Mombasa, from my point of view, looks like very hostile to Jubilee.
Yes.
They don't look like it's a Jubilee place. So Uhuru Kenyatta is trying to go there to get the votes because he needs the votes. Because you need the votes all over the country, and that's I think is what's going on. That's why they've been going there.
Yes.
Yeah, I think that's.
Paroni bendo nyalo bedo gwanyalo lungo ni show mar political might. Marango ni tonga mani tire kodote kumoyengo nyawadi.
Yeah, it is a political might because ngata bikuno monongi intendi following machalnade.
Yes.
But from what I have seen from the statistics, Raila seems to have a lot of votes in Mombasa. And Uhuru Kenyatta through Jubilee is trying to make inroads.
Yes.
And I think this is allowed. But we're going to see. It looks to me like
Jeff. Kakadonjo hana matin mane kardo Bob. Raila kumanyi kura do wadnam chun. Raila niki kura mado wadnam chun. Orito o protect bana koche. Oko dino di manyo. Kura wengo do tayari. Kama yie gi Bob ni adier ni Jubilee to ngi kura do wadnam chun. Kanyo to adier ma ratiro ma okonya pingore ko. Koro kara ilo di do wadnam chun. Oko di manyo kura. Odhi mana rito koche ma engo do tayari aguche. gima in go kimany imanyo gimi onge go
kore paro ni en adieri mane maini go wacho gore ni Jubilee onge kod kura e gwenge ma dwad nam chumbi to Raila Bob awinjo ka Washington wacho ni Raila nigi kura e dwad nam chumbi to Jubilee onge kod kura e dwad nam chumbi en adieri mane mutiyo godo mondo nyiswa wach machalo
Mr. Juma, what's your name again?
Wasonga Juma.
Wasonga Juma.
Kata Washington.
Kiwacha ni Raila nigi votes Mombasa.
Yes.
Tangombe usiko Mombasa. Usiko Mombasa all the time kaen kuno. So kangaro nigi gimoro.
Yes.
Onego beno wuotho kuonde moparo onge kura. To kamene kura onego beno dhi eno siki sasa. To koponi wano dhi protect kura mage.
Yes.
That could be true. To kura goero mo protect goero. Ngamo ngise ni kura osego. Ok gipodu kura. It's called campaign. Gipod campaign.
Yes.
So Uhuru Kenyatta has a right with these people and as a president of Kenya to go to Mombasa and try to get votes. And he said, hear me out.
Yes.
He said very clearly the other day, the Mombasa not going to kura mabaya. So he's trying very hard this time to get kura, and that's his democratic right.
True.
So you cannot say Mombasa is Maraila per se because we still don't know.
Other than kura mano go 2013. Wasn't no by-election to Mokobe Dierika, including Mombasa. Keno Jubilee pod no agelweti nono. Kuro, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Okay. When
political landscape changes every day.
It's
the fact that does not mean
that is
things
true.
change every day depending on how the economy runs and how the politics run.
And that is the main reason Momio Migosi Raila de Mombasa medurito ma engo. Just for the purpose only change nyalobed. But the mondo timango or protect what he has. Chalo gweno mobute etonge. Tongo mage but por nyako bute. Eka ge hatch maber.
Erokamana nya gima dwa tero wechiel kachiel en ni saniro nono ka gwenge mag dwan nam chumbi koja chande kwerango gavana Joe Amason Kingi kachiel kod John Murutu. Ne giwacho ni gin kaka jok mabende rito gwenge mamoko mag dwan nam chumbi sane giketo support margi behind Migosi Raila Amolo Odinga. Wang'eyo ni nyaka saniri NASA pod dhi nyime kod rango ni to flag bearer margi en ng'a. Iparo ni maendi ok nyal miyo jok mamoko bende gin ogai mag NASA obede oneka gima gibedo intimidated ni jogieri obak Raila Amolo Odinga to wan ji ang'wen malaro otiko machalo kama Bob.
NASA problem material NASA sani is a big problem because we got about 3 or so months to election.
Yes.
For a flag bearer. Now, from what I'm reading in the media, nearly everybody in that NASA thing wants to be a president. So Mudavadi wants to be a president. Kalonzo wants to be president. Raila wants to be president. So as at now, Pogi year of flag bearer, which means they have a problem with choosing their flag bearer. So as they fight back and forth, the country is getting disgruntled.
Yes.
And the people who are following them, a lot of them are getting disillusioned. They're like, we are supporting this party, and they don't even have a flag bearer. So if you don't even have a flag bearer, where is your manifesto? How are you going to put manifesto to the people if you don't have a flag bearer? They don't have flag bearer as of now. So when they are going around, Raila is going around, and all Kalonzo is going around, they're going around in what capacity? Are they going around as a president or as what? If Uhuru Kenyatta goes to a place, he's a flag bearer. If Ruto goes to a place, he's a running mate. If other people go to a place, they want to be governor or senators of a particular party. But these people, we know the party, but we don't know the official.
So this is the problem.
Under NASA, Jeff. Problem onge NASA katadi. Gimanyaka jo turwange Bob gijo Kenya. Okenyala compare Jubilee gi NASA. Those two things are uncomparable. Jubilee is a party. NASA is a coalition of parties. Kidwa compare Jubilee, did compare UDM, kata gi Wiper, kata gi Ford Kenya, kata gi Mani. Kuro kingata wachini onge flag bearer. Kaka ODM flag bearer maro en Raila. Kaka Ford Kenya flag bearer maro en Wetangula. Kaka Amani flag bearer en Mudavadi. Kaka Wiper flag bearer marango en Kalonzo. Mano as individual parties. But nikech one coalition. Kuro mimi jogi buro agree ni 3 of them buro mwonyo lapgi to marachiel mo lape odhi mbele. Kuro king'ato wachini onge flag bearer. Flag mag every party nigi bearer.
Bob temo wacho ni kapo kuyiere nyaka saniri to miyo ganda moko bedo kod nyao.
Onge. Mano iluongo ni strategy. Mano tactic mawa mar NASA kaka wango. Onge garaka. Jubilee kifoswa. The fact ni NASA poko name, the fact ni NASA nigi joma ng'eny madwaro president seat.
Yes.
Okofuloni mano is a problem. Mano shows the availability of ambitious and able men. Jubilee has no ambitious people. Oro kende mochung' machama
Yeri kod Bobe wach ma wacho kaindi mawinjo ka Mudavadi bende nowacho ka gintiere Mathare. Owacho ni nitiere oganda moko ma sanyiri oseketo chunygi ni girito kendo giwacho ni ka ok oyier Mudavadi kano ka bigocho ne NASA. Ka oyier Kalonzo ka bigocho ne NASA. Bi paro kaka Bobe wacho ni mano nyalo miyo samoro ulalo mbulu moko kata ombulu moko medenu mano te pare na.
Jeff, ane ground. Kenda winjo gima jo piny wacho e grassroots kacha.
Yes.
Wach no bedo ka jomoko some of aspirants mag other positions inge gima rach ngiyo siasa moko jomoko are too selfish ilmo ni ngato ngiyo ni kare lo bedo kacha e kamba de nwango marani ka Kalonzo ko bedo kacha to ka de nwango marani koro ngato wacho ni Raila manyaka bedi to gini giwegi the four principles giselando ni they are okay Raila ko kautiko to Mudavadi, Kalonzo gi Wetangula are okay and the others too. Kata kama Wetangula, we will still vote for NASA. I will still vote for NASA. My friend, one NASA because this is a coalition of like-minded persons, like-minded organizations. Koro ni komi Wetangula to koro that like-mindedness rule. We don't vote for persons, we vote for ideologies. We vote for like-minded kaka like-mindedness not on the level of
question.
Yes.
Raila was out of the country.
Yes, for some time.
To Oro watch.
Yes.
Through Joho.
Yes.
Through Rengo.
Yes.
Raila is the flag bearer of NASA. If there is no Raila as a flag bearer of NASA, then there is no NASA. If you hear of statements, I know some of the media, give me statements with Alcamano. It's either my way or highway.
Yes.
What does that mean? Is that democracy?
Well,
is that democracy? If it's not the flag bearer, then there is no NASA.
That is not democracy.
So the issue is now the House looks to be divided. You're talking about Jubilee having Uhuru Kenyatta as a flag bearer. Yes, it is.
Yes.
Do you know how many parties have merged with Jubilee? Do you know there was a time that a lot of parties merged with Jubilee? True or false? When
two parties.
Well, they merged with Jubilee.
Yes.
So when they merged with Jubilee, the heads of all these parties who were thinking that they're going to be presidential candidates, they shelved their ambitions.
Yes. They had not declared presidential ambitions. Nobody.
That's what I'm saying.
Kandele was the head of one party that formed Jubilee. He never announced anywhere not to be the president.
Officer, be diplomatic.
I am trying.
If they had, and this is me, I want you to be nice and diplomatic.
Yes.
If they had ambition for being a president, they have shelved those ambitions. True or false? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, as far as that context is concerned.
Yes, in that context, yes. They sell their political ambitions to choose one bearer, one flag bearer, who is His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta. So that means political maturity. Political maturity means so you move on. Because the only way is to move on. It's 3 months to elections. We don't have a flag bearer. And now you're talking about ideology. Where's the ideology if there is no flag bearer?
I am disappointed, Mr. Bob Kiwachokamano Niketi. Jokmano Chunge last elections as presidential candidates, none of them know Uhuru Kenyatta. In fact, what they've done, Jokmano Chunge last elections mama are part of eating together with the Jubilee and migos Mikai Martha Karua to migos Peter Kenneth. To giduto ogiwe presidential ambitions magi. Gidi mana chunge kombe mo
president.
To kada party ni noko
Martha Karua kuchungu president.
Martha benoko dissolve party ne.
We are talking now.
Yes.
Martha Karua with her party is supporting
Jubilee.
That is so some support Jubilee. Genesis they are 100%. Kichoko enoko do be president.
Yes. Peter Kenneth the same.
Peter Kenneth the same. Negena ni oginyal. My friend. Kichung be the president.
Mko sani wachung. Ipani nyalo.
For now pana nyalo.
Iparo.
To come after elections kame onka nwongo kura matin. Tadi ngene karo kanyal. You understand? That is a fact.
Bob Mwango mabenda njalo nyoche mag siasa ka chiel kod Washington mabende robedo achiel kuom joma chunye laro kom mar Kabondo Kasipul. Ageno ne mano kaka ne wachi. Anero ka wacho sewuok koni kod kocha mabende se wachi ka idwoke kod piny wacho, idwoke kod josiasa mag Jubilee mabende ne obedo fronted kod one of the principles mag NASA mano Migosi Musyoka. Ageno ni ka wuoyo to wuoyo on behalf of all the NASA principles. Na giwacho ni gidwa bedo kod a different tallying system magin bende gidwa rango kod ni to ka yiero otin to dwoko biro nade to dwoko chalo nade. Wach ni reneno ka tallying center magidwa bedo kod ni osebedo post gi moloyo jo Jubilee kocha chande. Bob iparo ni gima ne giwacho manyaka wa clarify ni giwacho ni gidwa lando dwoko mar ombulu. Giwacho ni gidwa rango ni to wuoyo ka owuok wire owuok kura 500 wan gi 500 jo IBC to lando adi wang'e ni IBC is the only body mandated mondo mi oland results mag election. Kaka jalonyo weche mag siasa paro ni be en gima kare.
Aparo ni NASA, as we know it now,
Yes.
gin right nothing we know politically because there's democracy.
Yes.
Ginyalo to that the parallel tallying center, Margino.
Yes.
So we also know IBC is going to have the tallying center. So at the end of the day, when the elections are announced, the NASA will say what they think are the figures.
Yeah.
But the final and conclusive results
Yes.
will be given by IBC because they're the ones mandated
Yes.
to do so. Now, if NASA wants to have a parallel one for checks and balances,
Yes.
that's okay within the democracy, within the democratic process. But whatever they're going to do is all going to be inconsequential as far as announcing results is concerned. The results will be announced. If they think that their figures are different from the official figures, then they can go to court and contest it through a due process. We have a very good due process. So for me, I don't see anything wrong with that. I just know that will be inconsequential as far as the final results is concerned. That they can do.
God mwangwero kama na nyawinji kama teparo ne karango mwe jo Jubilee tamore wachnyiri ni okay ni gima kare ka gibedo kod parallel tallying center.
The Jubilee okotamre pase ya gima Jubilee temo wacho ni gima jogi timo is they are trying to form like a parallel government or a parallel IBC, which is really not going to work. So they're just trying to tell them what you're doing is wrong, but you can do it. And at the end of the day, they're going to do it anyway. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what the results will be. So Jubilee is just trying to tell them this is not the right thing to do because we're trying to divide the country.
Washington in kaka ngeni in ja ODM wachmero bende in kod geno kod IBC.
Wan kod geno gi IBC masani.
Tango miyo ugombo kaka janasa mondo bed gi parallel tallying center.
Nikech tabu mabede IBC ineno ka wan gi geno gi jok miluongo ni the commission. To commission ni secretariat. Kato nitiere officers moko mabiro bedo hired on temporary basis just for the elections. Jogo up to now wakiage. Koro as far as jogo are concerned, ginok dang wach ni an gi confidence gi jok mibiro yier ka tallying officers kata returning officers. But as far as the chief returning officer of the republic is concerned, Chibukati, kaka NASA, we support the IBC fully. But having a parallel tallying system kata center is not in any way interfering with the IBC. Nikech dong IBC ni returning officer, wambe dong one agent. It is in the law. Constitution uyiye ni party kadi chuma ni independent candidate to ningi bed gi agent mari in every polling center
Mami kwan.
Yes, omi kwan samilando giga kuchocho. To gimado bedo mamit na ni kado timi yiero ni kalore gi chik man godo sani ni kose yiere wacho ni go koda kanyo wire igo wire but ka bondoka kego kura wire kanyo to kako lande sano no yake lande Nairobi nyiso ni kila ok ni ko ngilande wire kanyo ile lande gopero kaka no otimore yiero mokalo Tiati constituency molande ni Migosi Uhuru Kenyatta oyudo kura 50,000 out of 17,000 votes. Mani ngini nyiso ni jo IBC kala ndiko pori ma lande a polling station. Koro Kenya la team ni di lande kaka nie sheria sani. To nyalo bedo mamet kabisa kendo yodi timoro ma free and fair. To mani gima jo Jubilee luo. Mani gima giluo.
Ro gido mana girange ni ka kura wuok ka wacho wire mi wuok ni ro ka kura wuok 50 to bed 50.
Ana wuok ogilo primary. Ka wasongo no kura 1,500 ogilo primary olanda kamano. To Nairobi no ben landa ni wasongo no ngadi 1,500 ogilo primary. But from what we had seen in the past, Gitara Kanidi, Makura walk out of nowhere, Kondo Bukinyi to Jomoko million out of a few 100,000. Manamoda Bedogi, it is Okniko wanna check IBC? No. What a Manabedoga system actually, no Lando Ginikama. Makani land a polling center.
Yes.
Okjodium will not, or the NAS of land of their own results. No, will be depending on the results will be mobile announced with the IBC official at the polling center. To make results mobile tally in our own national tallying center. Mono need to be managilando a ground ko work the same gimilando final in Nairobi. Because Kanye Magimoro Chacho.
Yes, Bob.
I have a question for you.
Ask me that.
I want to ask you one question. I want a yes or no answer.
Yes.
Do you have faith in IBC?
Personally, I have.
No, don't do personally. Your party, NASA. Do you people have faith in IBC?
We do.
You do?
Yes.
If you do, why are you having a parallel tallying station instead of having agents to watch?
I will answer
Because
you
a
that.
parallel station, hokna winjoga.
Yes.
You must say winjo.
Yes.
Ni different parties. They kundego mono make sure.
Yeah,
They kura kwan maber.
Yes.
Kendo gimo kwan umbero reported.
Jadungo.
Now, let me finish with you.
Yes.
The other day there was a lot of noise demonstration that IBC should be disbanded.
That IBC Marisaka
And it was disbanded.
Yes.
Because people disbanded, they have restructured a new one.
Yes.
Now, NASA is now having a parallel tallying station.
It's
What
not-
does that mean? That means they still don't have faith in these people.
No.
So if you relax.
Okay.
So if you don't have faith in these people,
Yes.
what are we going to do?
Let me take you back to
We're
2013.
not going to have elections.
No, we're going to have elections, and that's why we are saying the let elections go on. To another belogi, our tallying system ma parallel.
For what purpose?
I will
then?
answer you why. The reason is 2013 Canada Supreme Court case no lose on technical grounds. Don't money you are privy to that. The case no lose on technical grounds. Evidence mani wagolo makoro ne bitero Uhuru Kenyatta gi Ruto Hague direct kok dala. Nobody ruled out it was time bad. The reason is that evidence we had to source it from other organizations. Because right now, what we do our own tallying system, but we will be packaging our own evidence. Makoponi, we need to go to Supreme Court. To our first evidence will be the final evidence.
So you guys are ready for a fight, even though the elections are not yet done.
My friend, we have to be ready
bracing for a fight.
It is option A, option B, and option Z.
Erokamana inya bovo kachiel kod Washington obro kawiyo matin achiel kachiel kod duogo wadwarango weche go mag political intolerance wadwarango weche go mag development in Luo Nyanza kachiel kod weche mag peaceful elections ma oganda dhi e higa. Ora mentie jara Malolwe TV en thuolo mar ariyo waduogo kendo wadhi nyime kod chenro mar kuku mar wach kaka nasenyisi e studio odiochieng' ma kawuono antiere kod jal ma bende nitiere kod gombo mar chung' ka mondo kasepolo kaka jaod bura kaachiel kod jalony e weche mag uchumi kaachiel kod weche mag siasa kata political analyst. Chiel kachiel abiro miyogi thuolo mondo mi ginyisu nyingegi kaeto dhi nyime kod twak machalo kama mikeloni kod an Jeff Lumba. Kachak arwako e studio.
Thank you.
Abiro chako kod jatelo mos oganda wenyisi gi nyingi.
Again, my name is Bob Mwango. I'm from Nyakach. I'm a political analyst and an economic developer.
Thank you so much.
Nyikwara mogi tibim bas mano an Evans Wasonga kata Washington Juma na Korochola Kanyandiko jachung' mar od bura ma Kabondo Kasipul.
Erokamana inya Washington arwaki achiel kachiel kod Bob Mwango agoni erokamano kuom kawo thuolo maru mar bedo kodwa e studio. Sani eri wadwa dhi e weche mag party nominations kata welo matindo waseneno ka koni kod kocha nitiere ng'ikruok. Koro waneno gwenge mag Murang'a kocha waneno Jubilee Party kendi oganda gore koni kod kocha. Weche mag nominations ang'o miyo kinde ka kinde nyaka wabedie kod koko. Abiro chako kodi in mwacho ni India ODM bende biro dhi e welo machalo kama. Koso pok ichulo omenda gi ODM mondo dhi e welo.
Nitiere options mang'eny.
Okichudo.
Chudo is not an issue. Chudo is never been an issue. Jite chudo.
Idege duondo bura mane.
Ema nyisi nade duondo bura mar ODM.
Isetero papers gi.
Chon. Di wacho na da kelo ni ne.
Erokamano.
But all the same, watch nomination chando parties te. Gima nyaka wang'e ka jo Kenya.
Ang'o mamiyo chendo?
Adwaro koni. Kaka jo Kenya, we are still in the process of political maturity. Pok wabedo gi a mature democracy, but we are heading there. Our politics will be aligned into parties, will be aligned into communities. In some communities and regions, party more must strong. Makido nomination mar party no. To inja odubura tayari. Kata ini se be elected tayari. You don't need. There is no opposition.
Kapok idhi nyime.
Yes.
Uyiero ji based on political parties, kutu uyiero ji based on their development record.
Na mima na history mar siasa mar piny Kenya.
Mane kaka en.
E kaka osebedo kitime. Adier mar Nyasaye jok mosebedo koyier. Ng'eny gi kata development record ne mao.
Wayiero political party.
Wayiero ng'at nikech political party. Winyo kaka samore go ni six piece.
Yes.
6 piece. Nikech kori ja ODM. Yier ng'ata mochungi ODM makati kiae. Ng'eny ne sana town centers.
Yes.
Ng'eny ji kia MCS mane gi yiero. Ng'eny ji kia kata mana ni senator gi en nga. Nikech ne gitimango gin ne gi yiero 6 piece. Adier ana ja party daher mondo party mara o win. Lakini an meda kono jo piny. kik yier party, yier ng'a biro kelo dongruok malong'o.
Koro koko wuok nang'o?
Koko wuok nikech achaka ka ODM, achaka gi Jubilee.
Wacha duondo buche duto.
Achaka duondo bura kaka Thura kumoa e Luo Nyanza. Jopiny ong'e ni ko ODM ichung' in mikawo bandera mar ODM. To mane idhi win the general election. Koro miyo nomination ni ema jok moko goe ma through thick and thin.
Nyako win nomination. Wengo mag Luo Nyanza moko machalo kaka Kisumu Central.
Yes.
Nono ka wantiere kod jood bura ma ok oyier kod ODM.
Ing'e nikech
nono ka Obado no yier governor Migori ne ok oyier kod Otiko mar.
Adwa koni gimomiyo.
Yes.
Nikech nanyisi ni wan e process mar political maturity. Pok wachopo but we are heading there. Kata Luo Nyanza nyaka joma moko. Kata mane gwenge mag Central Mount Kenya region. Nitie nyaka joma oyier gi ODM. Reason nikech ng'ato ka okot Obado, jopiny nohere, jopiny ne dware, to chama mar ODM odhi otuone nomination. Omiyo ng'ama chiel nono against the will mar
ODM no tame.
Yes.
No tuone.
Yes.
To ganda no gochone nomination.
Yes. Koro Obado no defect.
Ang'o mi tuone?
Reasons for mamiyo nitiere a few officials headquarter ma Orange ka ma either gi trade gi some individuals kata gin gi joma gi prefer. To gini ketho nega party leader wagi party ni nying kabisa. Inwango ni gi prefer a particular candidate. Yes. To ngano ok strong ground. Maybe and financially capable, maybe and some network I don't know and I don't care. But gima jo piny dwaro biro timore. Inonka ka hot bonoring the party moro. Yes. So he won.
So just to chuti mawach.
Yes.
It mawach on ODM yeroji based on psychophancy, not political development. They are biased. That is why there's a problem.
Truth,
is that what you're saying? Is that true?
Truth of the matter is,
yes,
all political parties in this nation, all.
But you know, you're talking about
ODM.
You're talking about ODM.
I'm talking about. I'm giving ODM as a case study.
Engineer.
Yes.
ODM.
Yes.
It's a political problem in nomination. So specifically,
yes.
Orange House Duaro.
That has been happening in the past. It has happened in the past. Yes.
Therefore, it's not
this time.
Therefore, it's not free and fair.
It has never been in the past.
It's never been unfair.
Yes. So ODM is a big party. Yes. Ngenji Orobeda a big party. Once we win the new of the big party, you hope to win. Geno is the word. Yes.
Weche mag political intolerance kata weche mag oganda siasa maragoko kachiel kod siasa marachuna. Ina chiel kachiel ni rika ne untiere rally mama dare antiere kod picha ni kata tipo ni anyalo keto ni kata sano mondo winji kane wacho ni jokma oyier manoringo dhi Jubilee go kik wachak wayier gi kendo. In Washington ng'iyo ng'amo dhi Jubilee koso ng'iyo ng'amo setiyo ne jopiny nikech nawinjo ka ichawo jaod bura mari kiwacho ni oseringo dhi Jubilee koro kik wayier. Mano ni wacho Friday kane untiere rally mar ODM Mathare.
Mana dier to jofwambo gi keyo wero ga mana yiero mano kamo dwaro kende keep play it, but the fact is this abro koni adier. It is democratic mar ng'ata ng'ata.
Yes.
You have a freedom of association.
To kani erokamano
Washington
wegi kanyo.
Freedom of association.
Yes.
Stop.
Wegi kanyo. Iwacho ni nitiere demokrasia. Ng'o miyo ni nyalo chunge nyimo ganda te wacho ne gini jomo dhi Jubilee go kiyier. Kare demokrasia mar ng'ato en ang'o?
Nikech ochiemo koni gi koni. Mane gimo kadwaro. I'm speaking in the context of literacy. Okay, I'm going to chiemo ni. Ka president no wacho ni gichamo ringo to wano demo that is the same amount wacho ni ngama chiemo koni gi koni is a wrong person. I would also say
Washington wegi kanyo command.
Let me use the context of a football match. You can't play for two teams. You have to play for one team.
Washington, hold on. Iwacho ni jogi chiemo koni gi kocha. Manyiso ni kai ne ODM to nitiere gimi cham. Kidhi Jubilee ben tigi midwa ni cham.
En chiemo in terms of constructive and ideas. Ok diwuogi ideas mag ODM koni, iringi tero kocha, ichage makoni kwa chiduogi tero koni. Mano you are a mole.
Lerwane jogi chiemo e ODM nade to jogi chiemo Jubilee.
When I say chiemo or when I say tugo, josiasa we are not
watch mar tugo.
No, it is the same one and the same thing. Although it was mar chiemo.
Wadhi watch mar chiemo tugo wabro wuoyi ba.
Abro nyisi.
Yes.
Jogi chiemo nikech ng'aro dhi Jubilee kocha ichule mondo bi ous siri man godo koni. Maga jok moko dwar.
In gi evidence mar wach machalo.
And evidence of a few people including Jaod Bura Mara. Yes.
Kano dhi ng'ama nomiye pesa.
Migosi Uhuru Kenyatta State House ka.
Inyalo miyo evidence ni nomiye pesa.
If you give me time I can provide.
Nomiye pesa mondo timgwa.
My friend mondo sell out the secrets
what are the secrets in the party? There's no secret for in a party.
They miluongo ni strategy o mean.
Strategy onge.
Strategy ni
Let me explain this
there
to
are
you.
things more better koko dong within ourselves.
Let me
We don't
explain.
need to the opponent or you.
May Bob Thuolo.
In a political process,
Yes.
it is simple.
Yes.
You need to choose member of parliament for Kabondo Kasipul.
Yes.
Mr. Kabondo Kasipul, give me the team on again.
Yes.
Don't worry about who is in what party and who is where.
Yes.
When you win, you take the bag of whatever you promised them back to them. But
That is
before you even win, what have you done to them? I'm not asking you to tell me. That's you and them.
No, it's true.
That's you and them.
Yes.
What have you? There is no secret. I mean,
Yes.
There is no secret. There is only two things. You want to be a member of parliament. You have your political strategies.
Yes.
You campaigning for the party you like.
Yes.
And then the party wins.
Yes.
Oh, there's no more for what? There's no Cold War here. There's no Cold War here. There is everything.
No, we can't lie. There is. There is Cold War. Kuna wundrini
Ngoto kako insani. Siri mane ma ingodo.
Yes.
Mama ngati cha ukeko.
Aya.
Kata midwa mi.
Kaka an kama
Siri mane siri da.
What's the Kabondo Kasipul?
What secret do you have?
I will tell you.
You either have money or you don't have money to campaign.
That's one secret.
No secret.
That is
You
one
know,
secret.
having money is an open
It
thing.
is. It's not.
It's no secret.
It's not. The amount of money I have should not be known by my opponent. It's my own secret. Kwa ginge na onge pesa, they can take advantage of that.
Washington ni we wach mar demokrasia.
Yes.
Mai gino wapenye ni to ino uona kaka Washington kwa wewe duondo bura mar ODM.
Yes.
Washington as a person.
Yes.
Wach misebedo kae wacho kata statements misebedo kigolo nyiso ni in bende okichiwo thuolo mondo demokrasia midware ODM nyeri mondo bedie.
No.
Mano wach mane wacho ne oganda. Udwani waendelea gi siasa ni nyaka karang'o.
Gini chal kama.
Siasa mok nyal tero wa mbele. Miwacho godo ni oyo ng'ane Rafael Tuju kane en jaod bura maru no konyo uno wacho ni oyo en koro kanyal chwa kwa yiene nikech odhie duondo bura mwa paro ni ok wayiere godo kaka.
That is where
no kotio maber.
Rafael no tio maber kabisa kaka an.
Ang'o mano miyo koyiere kendo.
Adhi kuduoki. Offices mag politics gi. To make most of our governors. You are sent to that office on a political platform.
That is okay.
Don't forget to play the politics of the day. If you went to that office as a manager, be a manager. But you went there as a politician, be a politician. What happened with Rafael Tuju? He was a very developmental leader. Kaka now I would give him my vote.
Yes.
But take morumi euphoria in politics. Yamo gidoluo. Yamo koloko dikoni. Ibe lokala hoji development ziko choma yamo no idhi gimaendeleo ni anasebedo janam Jeff samwa kwangi ye
Bedo psychopath.
It's not about psychophancy. I'm saying this. The fact ni
Wacho ni wadhi adhiya kata yamo dhi manyiso ni kata en gima rach to waluwa nikech koro ne wan ODM watimo gima rach wan wadhi. Kata Jubilee watimo gima rach wan wadhi adhiya nikech wan Jubilee.
I didn't say ni yamo loko towards the wrong thing.
To wacho ni yamo en gima tero gik mabeyo gi gik maricho.
You carry gima beyo nini
Yamo golo gi tero oko yamo golo bando momo gik mabeyo gi maricho.
Let me ask you a question.
Yes.
Iwacho maber ni Rafael Tuju.
Yes.
Usitimo maber kabisa Rafael.
Kendo dogo nembo.
Kendo digo mbulu as you sit now.
It's true.
True or false? True. Okay. Just calm down. Now you also said ni mistake manotimo nango. Iwacho mistake manotimo no
He didn't play the politics of the day.
He didn't play the politics of the day.
Yes.
Is it the politics of the day or economics of the day? Now, koponi politics of the day, gik matujo timo Rarieda, I don't know if you have seen them. And I said
I've seen also.
There are schools.
Yes.
There is innovative mobile clinic. There are roads. Doesn't matter. There are roads. Only because of maintenance, because they can't maintain. You don't know, maintain.
That is true.
There are a lot of things. Yes. To koponi no kada political air or wind or paper.
Yes.
They in the wrong direction, which is not economic.
Yes.
You have to change course. Yes. You can't just follow things because that's what I call psychophancy.
Yes. I agree
That's
with
psychophancy.
you. I agree with you.
It's
not, you didn't get me well. You didn't get me well, Bob.
Listen to me, brother.
Yes.
So we are facing economic extinction as a people.
Bob, let me tell you the truth of the matter. This is the truth of the matter.
Washington.
Today, if Rafael Tuju Chungarieda, Katagi Ford, Katagi ANC, he can win.
He cannot.
But with Jubilee, never ever. He can win.
Okay.
Because there's the fact that Joheri, Manu plays a big point. In a good development record, Katagi in a good idea of development. Manu is 1 point. The second point is political party. It is very important in Kenya politics as at now. We will get to maturity, Magata independent candidates can win, by the way. But when you say near, Kadin Rafael to Judy Mana from ODM to dig at Ford Kenya. Like Olaga Watch did that, and he won. The ODM a friendlier party.
Washington, kadiponi okiyudo tiko mar ODM
Yes.
nomination.
Yes.
What happens next?
Kosonongo tiko mar ODM nomination, ase analyze into two phases.
Wacha ni koke nwango.
I'm just answering.
Be
But
specific.
Waweke yudo, ka okiyudo title.
two phases ma koka nwange. Anyalo koso nwange ni jothurwa oko miya, mano is one. Anyalo koso nwange ni some influential jotelo party otamae,
Which they always do.
which
Which is not democracy.
That is true.
Yeah.
What happens is this. What I do is this. Ka jothurwa komiya. That listen, Jeff.
Kapok nyime kapok wiye wil gi wach ni rwacho ni some influential politicians.
No politicians, officials.
Officials mano ng'agin nikech wang'eyo ni officials mag National Elections Board mag ODM wang'eyo magi jok miwuoyo koso joma
Just get it from
be
me.
nyalo bedo specific.
Very specific.
Yeah, better not specific.
Or just say if you don't get, what's the way forward?
Yeah.
That was the question I wanted to answer. Kada mention
So luongo ni
names.
officials nikech mane rewgi kanyakla. Wadwa ni ka ng'ato.
I said certain.
Wadwa ni ka kudi nitiere wi ng'ato achiel to wacho ni ng'ane.
Jeff,
To
I am an investigative journalist, and I'm investigating this. As soon as I have all my facts right, I will bring them to you.
What
do you
For
know
now,
now?
allow me
What
not
do you
to.
know now?
For now, I know that there are certain people with preferential candidates.
Okay.
Raila
Yes, so-
notamore aparo ni Raila ODM party leader no wacho Mombasa ni onge ng'ama gi prefer. In fact Mombasa mana wacho ni oyo Mombasa kaindi onge ng'ama osekelo tesege madwa bedo governor koro Joe e candidate wa mar
Mano is true. Joe is an opposed ODM.
To kare sani ng'ama podi wacho ni nitiere kech Raila kosiwuota paro ni mano party osiwuoyo ng'ama odong' ma podi in go gi to ni ng'ani nyalo miyo ok wadhi yudo nomination.
Yes,
maber. En ng'a
That is true. Raila ni at the top as the party leader.
Yes.
Tontiere function mag party ka bedo joma ran the party.
kapile ni ODM en Raila en ODM ng'ama kendo nyalo bet ni wuoyo kopogore.
Nitie jok moko e office kata mochak kata baba. They go against the direction of Mar Baba. Baba also wacho ni the elections to be free and fair. Baba has never preferred candidates in the past. Pok no temo. Baba onge ga gimoro upe pendeleo ni anahero ng'ani. But inonka ODM nitie jok moko ma yudo certificate through the back door.
Backdoor ni
Baba onge kuno, baba onge backdoor. Baba ni front door the moko timo
joma ni backdoor nikech wacho ni it has happened before.
Give me time. Give me time there.
2013
Or let me ask you a question.
Yes.
What has Baba done to get these people out?
Baba has tried.
So that
Baba has tried kata mondo obed gi party elections to ntiere cartels moko in ODM ma don't even want the elections mag party moro timre.
Ka ok yudo nomination ang'o matuti.
That question.
Yes.
Ko kanwango nomination ni jothurwa emo failure.
Yes.
I will support whoever wins. And I will give him my manifesto ni kata ken Bob my paro mane an go through it kama nyalo konyo thurwa. Please get there.
Yes.
And I give him my full support.
The other side.
To kopo ni okanuango nomination ni a few influential cartels
Knock you out.
duatama ni gida miyo ng'at magi prefer. And this I will know even before the end of this month.
What will you do?
What I will do is I will run as an independent candidate. And I know the election timelines. And I told you I'm an investigative journalist.
Yes.
I have a serious investigation going on right now. Before the end of the party shifting period,
Yes.
I shall have known. And I will take appropriate action. But of course, I will consult the two.
Very broadly independently.
Yes.
Ukibidhie Ford Kenya, ukibidhie MC.
No. The reason why Okabidhi those are any other party, because almost all my life, I say ODM. I say get policies mag ODM, because I believe in policies mag ODM. But Kararan mana independent.
Yes.
For that support NASA.
Erokamano ahinya Washington. Agoni erokamano kuom wachni Bob Mwango in ng'ama bende en an economic expert. Ng'ama olony e weche mag uchumi, setiyo sekta mag keno kod kungo e bengi e pinje ma ok thuolo malach. Nyisa ni kirango Luo Nyanza wa mwa ai ka koro waweyo wach mar siasa koni kod kocha. In terms of development, wan kaka joluo wan kure. Ang'o ma odong' madwaro mondo watim mondo we wadhi the next level?
Jeff, and I'm very disappointed. I'm very disappointed with the Luo Nyanza kind of development records.
Yes.
But I set that out of the country for over 20 years.
Na Google.
And when I went out, almost the same things but when I came back is the ones I found to be there. I'm very disappointed with the economic development in Luo Nyanza. And I don't know if there is going to be ever any change. Bob, there
is hope.
I don't see if there is hope. It's against hope against hope. There is hope against hope. Apparently, gik mang'eny mosekethore. Ne wan gi ajinari called Kikomi. Kikomi ka cha Google gini mas Kikomi, adon Kikomi nobedo disbanded a long time ago, and they chose somebody called official receiver, PricewaterhouseCoopers, are the ones holding the title now. Kuruka, the governor, was trying to get this thing back, to revive it, to make it operational for the 2018, which is slated for, the government has slated they want to get rid of Mutumba, so that to improve the local industry, local ginner industry. There is nothing. So Ranguma is trying, I don't know how much he's trying, they can't bring it up. They want molasses. Molasses, no float shares, but we even bought shares molasses in the United States. People paid a lot of money all over the world. Kana adiki swimming anywhere molasses, ata sisioni molasses iko happy. I just see a small building with some cartel running molasses. So Lake Victoria, there was something called Lake Victoria Development Authority. Okay? The people are trying, the government, now fish industry, now they are crying at somebody is bringing fish from China to cut off. So I don't see any development. Time out. Fine. Okane development. So Mawakwana give quick pachon. Manyin Okane. Aya. Raila Odinga has tried his best through political machination to bring multi-party. We're now having democracy and you can talk now freely. They also bring a devolved government and devolution. That is true, we give him that. But I don't see the consequence. I don't see the trickle-down economics. I don't see these things trickling down to the common man. I don't see. So the governors, because they were not ready for this devolution thing, they thought they would run like the developed countries. Devolution came. Yes. Now they don't even know what to do.
That's true.
They don't know what to do with the money. They're just squandering the money. So there is a problem. I'm an economist, international economist.
Yes. Jeff, if you allow me,
so I don't see any development. There is a big problem.
Yes.
And I think because of checks and balances.
Yes.
Now, Jacom, despite Giponotimo, Okasena no Gimotimo to tame the Luo governors, Rasanga, Obado, Ranguma, Awiti, Jogaro. There's a lot of money. 100,000 central Buruka. So everybody is in the air. The whole world is on fire because we're going to pay. So how fair is that? That's not fair. Plus, you have also told us very clearly here, the nomination Magodiem are not free and fair, are not fair. So what democracy is there? So how can you go around talking democracy and everything, and your house is not clean? So our development is zero. Okay. And the reason is zero because we've never worked with the government. I've said this over and again. You have to work with the government of the day to get a slice. The other day when we had this coalition thing, we had a Nusumkate. Okay, I don't know who ate that Nusumkate. I think half of the country is big. And half of the country is big.
I hear Bob now for the first time.
No, Nusumkate
on this day. I hear Bob.
What time
Manyanza? Okoso kelo maendeleo mabe.
At all.
Nikech that's what I want to tell you here. Nyaka wa change ka juluo Nyanza from now.
Yes. Member of Parliament. Yes. If your principles are correct,
yes.
I bring the dollar from the US and I support you. I promise you. I support you. I'm serious. If you're going to change, I can't give that politics of psychophancy,
yes.
of recycling the state leader. We keep going nowhere.
I own the psychophancy. When I was saying that,
yes,
that I'm a member of ODM, it's not because ODM is a heavenly party. No, but comparing with others, it is the best. But give me no katimoreka enia. Jotendwagi kamana koni gichimugi our enemies. Kore we are me kukumarwaj.
Enemies ena.
Tell us the whole truth, nothing but the
my kukumarwaj. Nitiri jok moko manigi selfish interest magigi wegi jomo ngenjogi giwuok communities moko. For example,
you don't have to mention people though.
I don't want to mention people.
Yes.
For example, fish industry. Malu Nyanza no moto. Kama fish industry,
yes,
ne thika kan tiere na man gero fish industry. Okay,
kama mono ya wachiel kisi.
Nikech jowa mose yiero,
yes,
chiemo gi weg kembego mondo kambino yude Nyanza.
But how we economically develop? How we can
so the leaders must say yiero, they must be the also to pay.
We are recycling them.
And we have to stop recycling leaders. Can you go because you know we live in fact if you give me time to consult my people,
yes,
before the end of this I can tell you Nikech I get pain Bob anonyuola e Luo Nyanza donge Luo Nyanza. Kana tinne wan gi pamba ne jo thuro puro.
That's the Kikomi thing I'm talking about.
Migori nitiere tobacco ne ji puro. Sani kata mana niang has no profit to the farmers. Nikech ango they are influential officials of the government matimo businesses magi ma private kaka kelo sukari. Koro they have to ensure ni the sugar industry or fail eka ginwang profits. Ntiyo jok moko makoro kelo rech from China mondo gi make sure ni the fish industry in Luo Nyanza or fail makata mana water hyacinth cha otambu ogol.
Moving forward Bob Mwango ang'o monego watim sauru mo dakika achiel. Moving forward en ang'o monego warangi kaka jok mowuok Luo Nyanza winjo ka Washington oyuak malich
oyi koda.
Yes,
and gi monego watim Washington wabed gi mindset let us not do what they call politics or politics.
Yes,
Politics of opposition. What change? Let's do what they call economic politics. Politics of productivity of goods and services that trickles down to the common man. Ka works and a jubilee. What the hell is wrong with that?
At what expense?
At the expense of economics.
No,
not politics.
If you do it at the expense of economics, I'll agree with you. But they do it at their own other selfish interest.
If I build a road, or I build hospitals, whatever in Nyanza.
Yes.
That any jubilee.
Yes.
Is there a problem with that?
There's not a problem.
But why? What is the interest you're talking about?
You should know this.
Hey.
As a leader, as an MP, it is not my responsibility to build hospitals. That is the responsibility of the government. What I as a leader does is to push that government. No matter what the hospital Nyanza wakatecha. It is not anywhere within the job description of my MP. Monoger barabara. No.
Now
there is the responsibility of Serikali.
Okay, let me tell you something. That's very true.
Yes.
Can be a parliament.
Yes.
As a member of parliament for wherever you come from,
yes.
And then if it's Chako and the president, you talk. Listen to me. You talk bad about President Mamaja. What's her name again?
Milo Diambo.
Milo Diambo.
Yes.
You are the president.
Yes.
How do you say that development comes from the government?
Yes.
How is the government going to develop you?
They cannot. You
have to play with the government of the day.
Yes.
You have to be nice.
Yes.
You have to be democratic.
Yes.
You have to be politically mature. Yes. And you have to see things from a wider global perspective.
But I don't have to be a sycophant to them. I don't have to be a seller to my people because I will tell them to give us what rightfully belongs to us.
Moving forward, Luo Nyanza wakonye kata warese nade eweche mag dongruok dakika achiel kende.
Luo Nyanza kaka wanyalo konye ada wuoyo gi ji ariyo. Ng'ato achiel ma wuoyogo en jago kura. In nyakwara mogi in ibiro konyo Luo Nyanza namba achiel kapok iywak ne ng'ato ang'ata. Jatelo midhi yiero no asai kata keno ka kuom jomochung'o ng'ama ber afadhali koro iwek tago kura. Lakini yiero jatelo ming'ini biro kelo dongruok. Kik iyier ng'ato nikech omiyi pesa wuok jowa matimo. Kik iyier ng'ato nikech oriyo geche madongo. Kik iyier ng'ato nikech ulabalu ma ng'ato kelo ka gi miriambo. Yier ng'ato ma in e chunyi wuon ing'eni biro kelo dongruok. Ka ok okelo ni in ni ji lawu wuon gi chini mane yier. Ng'ato mar ariyo ada wuoyo gi ruoth ma Luo Nyanza. Ing'eni mowacho ni kiluro ruodhi ma kawuono tibi biro luori ka ching'u.
Wan gi governor sang'wen.
Otega nyinge. Kawacho governor ruoth ma Luo Nyanza. Sani wan jatendo maduong' ka Luo Nyanza en Migosi Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga.
Very good.
Yes. Ma gima sewacho na in the past when we met privately. Tapo abiro nuoyo everywhere. Ni jakom kar dogino kaka isasingo ni ok bi interfere gi nomination. Please maintain that. Nikech in the past ni jok moko mise prefer to jogo se leti down kendo iselo jok piny bende down. Koro wang'ni in wabrogo ni kura kar rombwa to kura mogo diere ka in beda an observe.
Koro sani chaki duogo ni Raila Amolo Odinga in the past to ne wacho ni in the past nitiere afisas moke backdoor. Ne wacho ni ok en Raila Odinga.
Nikech the reason why I'm saying that
Gimitimo is called perjury.
No,
my law.
I said what is called an appeal.
E wacho chien kocha nini nitiere afisas moke backdoor.
I said an appeal.
Ni in the past Raila Odinga nitie jok mano se prefer mano se let it down.
Mano se let it down.
Nini ni ok en afisas kendo ma
the reason is
ne yiero en Raila Odinga.
The reason is katieko investigation mara tabro kamata nyanga Raila Odinga ni mayo joma let it down.
Ramalolo TV manero kuku marwach. Kama kod jalony mabendo lonyo weche mag uchumi kaachiel kod siasa Bob Mwango kaachiel kod Washington Juma mabende dwa chung Kasipula Kabondo. agono ero kana do ng'eny kuom biro
Watieko.
odiochieng' ma kawuono
Ero
ka
kana
wachako
Jeff.
longo odiochieng' mamoro wabiro yudo thuolo mondo wawuo kod oganda wa
Meri konyo kor ng'ani.
Maendi
Adwa
en
yie
wach
chiko
kod
tas.
Jeff Olomaka. Oritwe masanga
Erokamano Jeff.
Omar yie chiko tal ng'ano konyi.